Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I haven't put videos since last year because I'm not busy. So let's get started to play some games like the I'm Monkey You Get to the Pack. So let's play I Am Monkey. So let's get started. This video is gonna take 10 minutes to play. Okay. Now this expert congratulations I just made saying that talking Angela bad words say bad words part 2. Thanks for watching my 1.3k views. I'm so happy and I hit 7 subscribers. So we're gonna talk to the elephant. We don't want to care about that, so we can't talk to the elephant right now because I don't want to watch. I don't want to make this video very long. So we can hit. You can every time I hit him with the elephant head, he's going to hit me too. So this case, when the customers arrive, what is the egg doing there? So never mind. Oh, you come here.
Checking the corners. Where's the star of the show hiding?
Hey, you come here. Guys, I'm gonna cheer you up.
Hey, catch. Feast your eyes on my glorious bottom.
There you go. Much better. Let's kidnap some people. There you go. You're gonna die. So let's go. What's happening there? Nothing. So let's give the ladybug to our little brother Jimmy. I should call him Jimmy because this time nothing. I heard this elephant had a key. Now I don't know how we're gonna get out of here. How long it will take you? So we have to find a way to get some more weapons. Ooh, the peasant poo. We need the peasant poo. This is the funniest idea we can get it. Why does a bat do it there? Hey, you will get fired. Come closer. Come closer. Yeah. Oh, stop making weird screams. You glad when you have a cigarette, so that's what you got. Ugh, stupid ads. Stop this. Oh my god. Sorry for making this is the most poorest version I ever got. And I will give you something, a pair. There you go, you can hit it. Let me get this thing, get off the security guard. Oh no, let's hit him. Let's kidnap him. Oh my god. Oh no, the sniper is coming. The sniper is coming. Oh my god. Oh my god. Hey, he's trying to bully my monkey friend. Shoot! I got hit. Wait, let me find the chip bot to get rid of the security guard.
Shoelaces. Okay. Next time. Your mama swing harder.
Oh, shut up. Stupid ass. So we don't want to play this game anymore.
Than that.
Now what's up to do? Hey, get out of here. Now let's find a way to play. Hey, want some broccoli? Don't cry. Here you go. Here's a broccoli. This game won't let us only stay here. How we can go with giraffe friends, zebra friends, the hippopotamus friends, and flamingo friends, and oh, you shoot! Right. Oh no! Looks like the sniper is coming again. Oh no! Quick! Get the jetbot! What the? Where did it go? Yeah.
Prepare to be wasted.
You come with me.
Rain leg. Full metal welcome. Deliver it.
And see you later. Stop this instant. Oh my gosh. No more ads, please. Yeah, get out here. Shoot. Yeah, it just appeared now. Oh, you're gonna break this. Here you go. Go get away, cry woman. Stupid. Now let's go. What do I have to do with guard the car? I thought you flew away. Never mind.
We'll call an ambulance.
I'm going to throw this rock at visitors.
Wake up. Still empty. I think you're tough.
I need to find a way. Hey, you come closer. Here you go.
Security.
And he wants a banana. Here you go. You want ice cream? Here we go.
Ah.
Oh my god, stupid ass. Come on, let me play this in this game. Let me download in the App Store to play. Now, which game should I download? What kind? No. I want to play something simulation games. Now let me just find something. Oh no, not a couple cars, something. Now which games did I play? I'm going to play Genshin Impact. I don't want to play some download games. I don't want to play Genshin Impact anymore. So let's gonna talk. Let's go find something good game. No, I think we don't want to download some simulation game. Among Us, no, it's 22 days old. I think I want to play animals games. Sorry. Animals game. Now, where is it? Oh my god, the video is almost ending, so I have to quickly find the download. I think we should download something there. I think the better crowd. Now let me see. What's this? What kind of game is that? Never mind. So, ultimately, let's go make simulation, animal simulation. Simulator game. Let me change it. Ultimate Animal Simulator. Okay. Download this game. I know it costs money. I download this. See details. And let me download it. Now, did I? Yep, I'm gonna download it for now. But please, this is the end of the video. Sorry for the poor version I got. So sorry guys. So see you at the next video. So bye guys.